Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Hey, but guys, what was Sibanda trying to do? I was just like, please. We saw right through you last week. We can't, like, I can't, Mina, guys, move on from what he did, that guy. I will never. Dr. Sibanda, I cannot. Uti, advocates Nisim wanted a new operator for the system and we agree, we accept. I'm just like, bro, you don't have to accept anything. We fired you. You are fired. Like, what must happen? Because now, after we caught you, it's like now you are doing Umnisi a favor and the whole of defense. No, you're not doing anyone a favor, bro. You were caught. When's a pokololo? The one who you are scaring of Mgulugudu. Like, on a serious note, okay. You were found actually manipulating evidence. Who even does that, guys? A whole prosecutor, really? Oh, it's just like, bruh, please stop with this nonsense now. Let you going on, opening up at the court and telling us, no, actually, as the state, we accept. You accept what? What are you even on about, bruh? Please stop. You are actually a disgrace to Ingane Esafunu Fundelilo. They're just like, what? Can we get away with that? Imagine. Kahle hle bese ngifuna ubeka isithombe sakhe emgwaqeni ngithi lo baba lo uyafuneka uDr Ronnie Sibanda uyisigebengu of esigelekeqe. Befana ngaboshwe kahle ngeweekend masubuka. Also I get it with uMabasa ukuthi why was he lying so much warrant officer Mabasa, cause he forgot other things, guys, and he, like he said, he's human. He forgot. Among these guys, you know very well they have short legs. So he was just like, oh, during the coaching, cat being trainer. What was I supposed to say again? Like, he couldn't remember. Guys, that was just like a disgrace in another level for the state. I've never. Also, guys, with Amanga, you forget, and then you're just like, oh my gosh, konje, and then you can't remember. And then, and you've been a police officer for years and years and years. And then you come and be this person. A court. That's crazy, guys.